Morning traders, and this is your Aussie South African top 40 day trade setup for today. So yesterday we had a massive engulfing red bar, but I think for all intents and purposes we are ranging, and that's the bottom of the range and that's the top of the range. Okay, now there's a couple of things that have happened inside this range which leads me to still be pretty much bearish at the moment, and that is the first thing. So there was our channel. We've broken, we've retested, and this is the confirmation bar on the daily. So in saying that, what I'm looking for as a minimum is a move down to at least the 200 EMA, which is down there. Okay, there is a gap here. There's also an inside tail here. So there's quite a big zone between these two levels here. Okay, and that's kind of what I would expect moving forward. Now, if we just pop down to the 3 hour, you'll see everything becomes a little bit clearer. So you can see we had this rally up, come up and break this trend line, or come and retest the trend line. We retested for quite a bit, and then we had a proper rejection bar before moving off. Okay, now this one here can go, and there you can see a little bit clearer. In fact, let's just tidy it up. So I'm just going to come from this bottom level here, from there to there, and just get it perfectly. Okay, and a little higher. Okay, so there you can see we broke it here, we came back into it, broke it again, and there was our second retest yesterday, and that first hour rejection bar of that level was telling. There is another level here that was rejected, and that's sorry, it's going to be that one up there. So there's 1, 2, 3 inside tails. So you could have basically just between those two, that was your zone to the upside. You can see there's an inside tail, there's an inside tail, there's an inside tail, there's some inside tails there as well, and you can see there's inside tails there. So that was our zone, and you can see we tested it the day before, and then we got this rejection bar in the zone. So the entry was below this on the break with a stop above there. Again, the closing range strategy failed. Now it's been a couple of days in a row where it failed. So we've broken to the one side and then immediately reversed, go down to the other side, which is just an indication of how the market is changing. Because normally, once you break to the upside, although we did get the range target, so we broke up and then got the range target, then immediately reversed off it. So technically, I suppose it didn't fail. Okay, and I'll delete indicators. Let's just delete all the noise. What we have at the moment, and this to me is pretty crucial at the moment, is this level here. Okay, this is fairly strong. You can see for some reason we've got buyers coming in at, let's just call it 5100 area. Okay, if this level gives today and we get a daily close below that, I definitely expect us to move to the downside. Okay, pick up some of these gaps here, and even possible to move all the way down to the bottom. But do keep an eye on the Fibonacci extension. Okay, so this is the 50% Fibonacci extension, which is often where the buyers want to re-step in, but you can see the bears are trying to take control of this. So your 61.8 is on the 200 EMA daily. And that makes a lot of sense for me for a decent pullback. Okay, so yeah, I think for me the bias is still to the short side, but not really interested in buying at this level, or sorry, selling at this level. I want to see some kind of a pullback. Now, I can almost guarantee you that we don't really have a decent level for a pullback apart from that fractal level there. So 51,260 would be a fairly decent pullback, or alternatively even 51,373. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm not really interested in jumping in short at the bottom of a range like this, because 9 times out of 10 it will bounce back up and then come back down. Okay, so before we go, let's just quickly switch across to the ichimoku on the 4 hour. Okay, we have had a crossover. We're all over the place. There's nothing really that's exciting me on this. And if we look at the 1 hour, there's a shorter term view here. That doesn't give us anything either. We're so far away from Kijinsen and Tegensen, and then you can see Kijinsen is going flat. So I want to see a pullback, a retest of a level, and then a continuation to the short. So in other words, it's probably a better bet for a long at the moment. Could be a scalp, could be to the top of the range, but you're looking for an entry somewhere around that area there. And I'll give those levels to you now. And you're looking for a stop there. So you're looking for 51,100 approximately for an entry, and you're looking at 58,855 for a stop loss. Okay, it's not so much on the 4 hour. And at least you're not looking for a rally all the way to the top. You're basically looking for a move back to test a level. And the nearest level I can see is right over there, which is 51,380. Okay, I just want to look at the daily as well. So we've had a crossover, Kijinsen, Tegensen pointing down. We're at bottom of cloud. So a break below this is going to be a cloud breakout, which is going to, for me, mean that there's a continuation of this down move. This consolidation will be over and we'll move to the downside. Okay, so that's my view for today. Looking for a short, just not looking to get in off the bottom of this cloud. I want to see a bit of a bounce and then get in shorts and ride it down. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.